Hey guys, Soon here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we'll be unboxing something other than Supreme. I know it's Supreme everywhere, but this time I did manage to get something else. It's something that I did not expect to get. And matter of fact, it's not even a raffle that I went in for. My wife went for it. We were driving, and Nike's on the Nike sneaker app, Jordan 4 for the PSG was dropping. So for this, even though it's white and clean looking Jordans, I didn't want it, but I figure let me go for it and see what happens. So I entered it, my wife entered it, and then surely enough, she was able to cop one for my size. So I'm debating whether to hold on to it or not. I am probably gonna resell it. But let's see. That said, I'm able to show you guys, so let's go ahead and unbox this and show you what I got. Alright, so it came in this Nike box with the Just Do It. It's been a while since I got anything from Nike, so let's see. I'm gonna open this up, and again, those of you who knows and follows Jordan drops, PSG had done many collabs with Jordan. I think they had Jordan 1s, Jordan 5 or 6, but this is the first time I believe they're doing 4s. So I'll go ahead and open this up, and the box is customized, so that's already really dope. PSG Jordan logo on the front with the blacked out box, and this one opens from the top. It's not a flap for the Jordan, so let's go ahead and open this up. And inside, the wrapping itself has Jordan and the PSG logo all over the place, which is pretty dope. You could barely see it, but me just holding up against this camera and light, I could see the PSG and the Jordan logo. And out the box we have the clean J4 PSG. Let's take a look at the inside first. Inside you have the soccer field, grass, turf, whatever you want to call it, but as you know, the PSG is the European Soccer League, soccer team, sorry. So, again, they've done many collabs with Jordan before, and I love their collaboration because usually their leather quality are a little higher quality than just regular Jordans. But as you can see, I got this on size 9, and you see the colorway of white with hint of maroon or burgundy, whatever you want to call this color, with black hints here and there. So it is pretty nice colorway. It's all, if those of you who loves the white sneakers, you cannot go wrong with this, as you know, and especially if you guys like Jordan and J4s. Like this is a top notch right here. If you look at the J4, you have the tab here, Paname. I'm not sure exactly what that is, to be honest. I'll be honest here. But the signature Jordan flight tab here with on the back there's Air Jordan tongue, and then on the back of the shoe we have the same logo, the Jordan as well as the PSG circle logo right there. Pretty dope. I honestly was thinking of selling this, but now that I have this in my hands, I may have to rock this. I'm gonna think about this again. Like this is the problem with me. When I don't buy it, I'm okay with it. I could live without it, but once I get it and I think about reselling, and then I have it on my hand, I'm like, this is so nice. Maybe I won't sell it. Maybe I'll keep it for myself. So again, I'm gonna have to think about it. Let's see how the resale value is, and I'll make a decision. That said, this was $225 retail. So for Jordan 4, I think that's pretty common. I think that's typical. So it wasn't overpriced or anything like that. And then I'm trying to see if I could take something out here. Take this out. Actually, now that I think about it, they only gave one shoelace. They may or may not give you another shoelace, but this one only came with white. And what I was looking for is this insole, because typically they have some custom insole done for these kind of collaborations. So I'm taking both of them out and we'll take a look at it together. The insole, you have this letter writing like this. I'm not even gonna bother trying to pronounce or say this, but as you can see, it has a writing like this. Has Paris. I don't actually know what this other thing is, so let me see if I could do like a Google Lens translation right off the camera here. It's not working, so I'm gonna just go to the Google Translate here. Google Translation, again, I'm not sure it's right or not, but I'm gonna trust Google on this. But it says here is Paris. For those of you who are watching this from France or European country and that knows this, please don't bash me. But that said, I'm gonna give you guys a closer look at this and the box and everything, and we'll wrap it up.